Hi everyone and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to set up Shopify taxes. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So all you need to do is first of all head over to your settings from the bottom left side of your screen. As you can see, settings, simply head over to that. Then you can see we have multiple options going on the left side of our screen, and from there we are going to be clicking on taxes and duties. So make sure you click on taxes and duties, then you are going to be selecting the regional settings. So make sure that you select your region. Let's just say we are going to be setting up for Canada. We have multiple options as well. Now you are going to be simply adding your sales tax, your tax rate exemptions, your product overrides. So you can go through all of these, select your region and every single thing. Eventually, once you do that, you will be able to set up your Shopify taxes. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.